It's a great car. It's the best car I ever drove. GP2 is so funny. It's also very difficult. It's the most difficult car I ever drove because you always have to be at the limit.
Compared to last year's car, I think the new car has a lot more rear downforce, so it's quite nice to drive.
It's getting every year a little bit better. Last year we had the slicks, this year we have the aero kit.
The first 2 laps are incredible. When I tested the Toyota F1 and this car with new tires, they are very similar.
When the tyres are new, you can just pretty much floor it out of a corner and you've got that grip to just hold you.
It's unbelievable how much the car brakes. Mid-corner grip is also quite hard to believe. And obviously they support a lot of downforce, so it's probably the same thing as a Formula 1 tire.
The tire was better, I think, this year because last year you can do 5 laps fast and after the time is coming up. So this year I think it's more constant. The Bridgestone guys work very well.
The Bridgestone tires are so fast in the rain. You can feel like if you're on the dry, sometimes it's crazy.
They take some looking after, more so than the previous ones that I've used in World Series or in Renault V6 or even A1GP,
As we all know, the Bridgestone tires are very good on the first 2 laps and then you have to work the car out.
The Renault engine is pretty special. It's a nice engine to drive because it's pretty torquey.
Obviously it's a lot of power, so the torque and the power, they actually make the tires struggle a little bit.
Really awesome power, 600 horsepower, and no traction control. It's quite difficult at times, especially in the wet when it's quite slippery, to get the power down the straights.
It's a big difference from the 200 horsepower I was used to in Formula 3, coming up to 600 plus.
Last year I did the F3 Euro Series, which is 3 times less horsepower than this engine, so it is very powerful.
You go in 3rd gears and put the throttle and spin. This is nice.
Different compared to Formula 1 now, it's very close. We are just about 5 seconds away from Formula 1.
Corner speed is a little bit less than Formula 1, that's where they gain the most time. But it's quite similar, I think, to Formula 1. It's the only category you can compare to a Formula 1 car.
Even if you haven't been in the car for a week, just to get back in it again feels, an awesome experience. So it's really great. I really enjoy the car.